What's up, YouTube? This is RustyNo5 here with my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Please enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Oliver, Stepney, Mavis, Derek, Coldy, Frank, Wilbert, Mike, Splatter, Dodge, Diesel 10, Scarloey, Rheneas, Peter Sam, Duncan, Duke, and Smudger. These are my duplicate engines, which means that I already have a copy of them, and if I do start a series later on, maybe in October, I won't be using these. Here's James, Percy, New Style Thomas, Old Style Thomas, and Mavis. Here are my road vehicles, excluding Harold over here, who is an air vehicle really, but I'm just going to classify him in this category because I don't have any other air vehicles. Here's Trevor, New Style Birdie, Old Style Birdie, Lorry 1, Elizabeth, which I lost the dumper on the back, Jack, Terrence, whose caterpillars fell off, Bulgy, and George. Here are my rolling stock, the express coaches, Clarabelle, I do have Annie, but I lost her, Catherine's car, Scruffy, the recycling car, recycling bins, Solar China clay cars, 2 Tidmouth milk tankers, 2 Sodar fuel tankers, a tar tanker, Forest log car, 3 cargo cars, 2 orange, 1 black. I'm missing one of the cargos for the orange one. The blue barrel car, which I'm missing one of the milk cargos for, and a purple barrel car, which I'm missing one of the oil barrels. Here's the detonator car, the foghorn car, which doesn't work currently because the battery ran out and I don't really want to replace it because it's kind of annoying. The fossil cars, which came with Stepney, Toad, the circus train. It does come with a lion, but I don't have that. Breakdown train, another breakdown train, Solar line caboose, and these are my miscellaneous engines, I like to call them, because they don't really fit into a category. These 2 engines are battery powered, and they're made by Learning Curve, but they are not Thomas. So here's the green one and blue one. And I have 1 Ertl engine, which is Ertl Lady. And here is Cranky over here, and yeah. So that is my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.